नमस्ते, InfoBuzz चैनल में आपका स्वागत है।
In this video, we will see the use of AutoFill feature in Excel. This feature will help you to fill a series of cells automatically. So AutoFill fill the cells based on the data of other cells or the pattern that other cells follow. So let's see how it works. We'll write 100 here and 200 here. Now select these both cells and you can see this small box at the bottom right corner. So when you go to this box, you can see a plus sign. So this will help you to fill the series. So this is fill handle. So drag the fill handle down. Drag until you get your desired series of numbers. You can see numbers are increasing. We will stop here. And you can see the numbers are filled on the basis of pattern of first two numbers that we selected. So all numbers have increased by 100. So likewise, we can also automatically fill days, months, dates, time, etc. Let's fill months names, type January and drag the fill handle across the cells till you get December. So now you can see all names of month. Now let's try with day names, type Monday and drag the fill handle down and now you can see all days names. So now you can see this option is coming. This is autofill options. Click on this. If you want to show only weekdays and skip weekends, so select this fill weekdays and now you can see only weekdays. Let's try with dates. We will write date here and use the fill handle. Now you can see days are increasing. Now go to autofill options. Select fill months. Now you can see change in months. Now again go to autofill options and select fill years. And now you can see series of years coming. So this is how this autofill feature works and helps you to do your work faster.